Good morning, students. Yesterday I given exercise 1.1 in that first main. Today second main. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jax scores in 5 successive rounds where 25, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? In a quiz, Jax, he will get marks. Positive marks are correct answers and negative are he given wrong answers. We have to find what was his total at the end. At the end, how much he scored, we have to find it. Now answer. Jax scores in 5 successive rounds are how much here? If Jax scores in 5 successive rounds are how much? First one is 25, next one is minus 5, next one is minus 10, next 15 and 10. Here positive numbers 25, 15 and 10 he given correct answers. Minus 5, minus 10 he given wrong answers. The next one we have to find how much marks he got at the end. So total marks got by Jack. Total marks got by Jack. How much he marks got? First one is 25. Total means we have to add it. We have to add it. 25 plus, in bracket I will write minus 5. Again next plus 5. In bracket I will write minus 10 because it having negative signs, but we have to add here. So I written this minus 5 and minus 10 in bracket. Next one is plus 15. Next plus 10. I will write 25 as it is. First I will solve this bracket. Both signs are same. Already I teach about if both signs are same means we have to add it. We have to add it. Now both signs are same. So 5 plus 10 is 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. In that which one is big number now? 10. That having which sign? Minus. So right here minus 15. Now add these two now. 15 plus 10 is 25. 15 plus 10 is 25. Using Bodomas rules. Bodomas rules already you know that one. Bodomas, BODMAS. Bodomas means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Means first have to solve bracket 1. After that division. Next one multiplication. Next one is addition. Next one is subtraction. But here it not having any brackets now. Here again division also not is there. Multiplication also not there. Now addition. Addition means 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 is answer is 50. Answer is 50. Now remaining is minus 15. 15 minus 15 is 50 minus 15 is answer is 35. 50 minus 15 is 35. So how much is scored? 35. So right here therefore thus 35 marks are got by Jack in a quiz. Now next third main. Next I will teach third main now. Now third main, the given question at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Listen here, students. At Srinagar, temperature having minus 5 degrees Celsius at Monday. At Monday, it having minus 5 degrees Celsius. Again, then it dropped, means it is decreased. How much temperature? 2 degrees Celsius. It will decrease 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Means Monday it having minus 5. At Tuesday it will drop how much? 2 degrees Celsius Tuesday. What was the exact temperature on Tuesday? We have to find. After that, on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees. It rose means it will increase how much? 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? We have to find on Tuesday and Wednesday. How much temperature is there in Srinagar? We have to find it. Now I will write answer. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar. How much it is? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. Right here, minus 5 degrees Celsius. Again, on Tuesday, temperature dropped how much? 2 degrees Celsius. How much it will drop? 2 degrees Celsius. Drop means it will increase, means we have to subtract here to find exact temperature on Tuesday, means we have to subtract these two numbers. So therefore temperature on Tuesday means we have to subtract these two. Minus 5 degrees Celsius, this one, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Subtract, I have put it here, subtract sign. So now already teach, if both signs are same means we have to add it. So both signs are same. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7 degrees Celsius. 7. In that, which one is big number now? 5. That having which sign? Minus. Right here, minus. So therefore temperature on Tuesday is how much? Minus 7 degree Celsius. Now we got the temperature of Tuesdays. Now we have to find Wednesday. How much temperature is there? We have to find it. On Wednesday, temperature rose up 4 degrees Celsius. Rose up means it will increase. On Wednesday, how much it will increase? 4 degrees Celsius. Then 4 degrees Celsius. It will increase 4 degrees Celsius. So exact temperature we have to find means temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on Wednesday means we have to take Tuesday's temperature. How much? Already we know that Tuesday temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. And Wednesday, how much it will increase? 4 degrees Celsius. Means we have to add here. It will increase. Increase means here we have to add here. Plus 4 degrees Celsius. Already again I teach, if both signs are different, means we have to subtract it. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. 7 minus 4 is 3 degrees Celsius. If now in that, which one is big number? 7. That having which sign? Minus. Right here, minus 3 degree Celsius. So we got here, right here, thus temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was, Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius and Wednesday is minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Today I teach exercise 1.1 in that second main, third main. Now we have to solve fourth main, fifth main and sixth main. It is a homework. Fourth main, fifth main and sixth main, it is a homework.